Hi, and this is Beefy Bangles. Today I am going to teach you how to make wings. Let's get started. All you need is 3 of these nice beads. They're very beautiful. Now you'll need one of these pipe cleaners, like that. Now you have to take this piece, loop it around like that. Start to twist it like this, there, and when you're about to here, you can start putting the beads on. I know this sounds confusing. There, like that. You have to make sure that it goes on like this. Now let's start putting the other ones on, like this. Just like that, okay, there. Now you have to take this end, start looping them inside of the beads. Then you have to take it what size you want it to be in. I'm thinking this size. Now you have to unravel it like this. Then take some scissors. Then snip it right about to here, right there. Then do the same thing for this side. Then you have to take that. Be very careful because these ends are really pokey. Then you have to twist them around like this. Just to the point where you can't really notice it. There, we made a ring. Bye.